Okay. So next question is, okay. We are given a chemical equation. What type of reaction is this? You have to choose the correct answer and then you have to type in chat box. So type your answer in chat box.
Ma'am, type.
Okay.
Ma'am, type.
Typed. Okay. So all the students have given correct answer. Actually, Hinal Himani, they have typed C. Siddharth has written the redox and displacement. Nirviksha C. Harini C. Avni C. Yash D. And Yug A and Hardik C. So C is correct answer. Okay, those who are confused, please ask your doubt. Redox reaction क्या होता है जिसमें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों साथ में हो रहा हो. Here copper oxide is getting reduced and magnesium is getting oxidized. Okay, so this is a redox reaction. Displacement reaction, here magnesium, basically magnesium is displacing copper from its oxide. तो ये दोनों हैं. So it is redox as well as displacement reaction. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay. Then one more type of question can come is balancing a chemical equation. Okay. So balancing, you have to just, it's just a calculation of numbers only, but still you have to practice balancing of chemical equations also if you have not yet practiced. Okay. Then, so yes,
In exam, it's not coming.
in exam balancing of chemical equation is not coming.
Yes, ma'am. And salts also.
1 minute. Okay. The arrow pointing downwards along with the products represent dash, whereas arrow pointing upwards represents dash. Who knows the answer? The arrow
Time.
pointing downwards along with product represents dash, and arrow pointing upwards in a chemical reaction, okay, represents dash. If you know the answer, type in chat box. Yes, type in chat box अगर किसी को आता है तो.
Ma'am, have you shared the screen of this question?
No, I haven't. Okay, Siddharth is writing up is heat. No, it is wrong. Down is precipitate. It's correct. Okay. So, okay, I'll share the screen and show you actually uska meaning kya hai, what I have asked. In any chemical reaction, you might have seen कि ऐसे arrow बना होता है बहुत सी बार, like जैसे AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Okay. Or you can see one more reaction, FeS plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2S. Okay. So my question was, what does this arrow and this arrow indicates?
Upward means gaseous form.
Yes. So upward arrow is actually gaseous product. Okay. And downward arrow means precipitate. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
मैम एरो और कोई सा एरो भी होता है क्या मतलब
नहीं, और किसी डायरेक्शन में नहीं होता है. नो नो, बस यही अपवर्ड और डाउनवर्ड ही होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज next question, which is the most reactive metal and which is the least reactive metal in activity series? If you can say, just raise hand.
Ma'am, potassium
Raise hand.
is
Okay.
highest. Potassium is the highest reactive.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, Hinal.
Silver.
You are raising hand. Hinal Imani was
Potassium.
Gold is less reactive.
potassium and potassium and gold. Potassium and gold. Some are raising. Hardik, Nirviksha, Hinal Imani, Siddharth. Many are raising. Okay. So answer is potassium is the most reactive and gold is the least reactive. Okay. Now, last question. Why does zinc react with sulfuric acid to give hydrogen gas but copper does not? Why does zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to give hydrogen gas but copper does not? Who can say? Okay,
Ma'am,
Harry.
because zinc is more reactive than copper.
Okay. Zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, whereas copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Okay. Okay. So this is actually I have taken oral test just to check whether you have prepared or not, and so that you can know अगर सिर्फ MCQs आ रहे हैं तो what type of question can be asked. Okay.